Take a look up here on the whiteboard. And I've got a different type of CMA math problem. If I told you, come up with a value for that property, if I told you to come up with a value for that property, what would be the first thing you would, what's the first alarm bell that goes off for you? What are you missing?
Your adjustments.
You don't have any adjustments. How the heck are we going to adjust something with no adjustments? This is learning to be an appraiser. You got to spot the adjustments. You got to learn to make comparisons that give you the adjustments. But here's how we do that. I want you to look at, compare for me, let's just pick two of them. Compare for me comp number 2 and comp number 4. Just look, don't look at the price, but just look at the properties.
One bath.
The only difference between those two properties
The full bath.
is a full bath, right?
If you get a full bath's worth $9,000.
Full bath must be worth $9,000. Because buyers were willing to pay $9,000 less for comp number 2 than they were comp number 4, and the only difference between the two of them that we're aware of anyway is that bathroom. Does everybody see that? So what you would do in a problem like this, because you're going to have to come up with the adjustments and then apply them. You got to come back and apply them. So what I would do is I would come down and write down bath, $9,000. What else? Tell me two comps that you can compare to each other to come up with an adjustment.
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
2-car garage.
2-car garage versus no garage, right? What is the value of a 2-car garage?
$10,000.
$10,000. So a 2-car garage is worth $10,000 because this buyer was willing to pay $10,000 more for the same house because it had a garage on it. Does everybody see that? What else?
Square feet. 2 and 3.
Which two can we compare for square footage?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2 and 3, would you agree, are identical except for this difference in square footage. What is that difference? How many square feet?
200.
200 square feet,
20.
and it's worth how much?
$100 square foot.
It's worth $20,000, right? That 200 square feet is worth $20,000. So 1 square foot is worth how much? $100. Everybody see that? Just divide it by 200. Divide that 200 into the 20,000. You'll get your dollar. So 1 square foot is worth $100. Put it down here.
That's probably wasn't too easy to figure out when you were drawing it up.
It's not too bad. You've done enough of them. You learn to start from the best one and just kind of work your way backwards. So, anything else we need to come up with an adjustment for, or are we ready to go? Ready to go, right? You still do all 4 comps. Comp 1. Is this going to be a positive or negative adjustment for square footage? Positive. Plus 100 square feet, which is worth what?
100.
$10,000. $100 a square foot times 100 square feet. Everybody see that? Plus 10,000. Baths, what are we doing? Plus or negative?
Plus.
Plus. How much is a bath worth? Doing anything with the garage? Nope, they're the same. So we've got a total adjustment of $19,000. What is that? $250,000. Somebody check my math. $250,000 based on comp number 1, right? Comp number 2. Positive or negative adjustment for square footage? Negative. Minus $10,000. Bathrooms. Again, the same one, right? Same adjustment. It's going to be plus $9,000 for the bath. Garage. Making an adjustment? Positive, right? Plus 10,000.
Excuse me.
So I got a total adjustment, the two tens offset each other of plus 9,000, right? 50. Notice the pattern yet? If you haven't, you will soon. Positive or negative adjustment over here? Positive, plus $10,000. Bathroom, plus 9,000. Garage, plus 10,000. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that all adds up to $250,000. But feel free to check my math. Negative adjustment of 10,000. Baths are the same, no adjustment. Garage is gonna be plus 10,000, because we're adding a garage to it. 250 minus 10 plus 10. 250. So, whenever you're asked to come up with the adjustments, when you apply them, you should come up with the same value all the way across. You're not going to get a range on a question like that. They're all going to be the same. So that's kind of a way to check yourself, right? You know, if you get one of these ones where you have to come up with the adjustment, the ones that give you the adjustments, you're going to end up with a range of value. The ones where you have to come up with the adjustments, once you apply those adjustments, you better come up with the same value all the way across. If you didn't, somewhere along the line, you've got a little misstep going on. Okay, so now do number 2.